just got a new camera, the Canon EOS M50. Supposed to be great for doing YouTube videos and, you know, a couple of different things like that. So instead of using my phone all the time, I thought I would use this. Maybe I can get 2 shots in instead of just 1, you know, do a little upgrade. So I just got it sent to me. So I thought I'd do a quick unboxing, because oftentimes I get comments asking what type of equipment I use. Now, I bought this direct from Canon because they had a sale. 1 was $200 off the camera, 2 free shipping, and 3 they threw in this card, SanDisk card for it, 32 gigabytes. So they added that in, and they also had a special, which you can get this adapter, so you can put on, you know, additional lenses onto this camera. This is normally $150, $140 something, and they had $100 off if you bought it at the same time. So this cost about $49. So I'm not sure how I'm going to use it as I continue. Maybe I want to get other size lenses and stuff, so this adapter will come in handy. So thought it was worth the purchase. So got all of this in the box. Okay, so let's open this up and see what we have here. Okay, warranty information, registration of warranty. So obviously, ooh, thick owner's manual. Look how big that is. Must be in different languages. So that's pretty good. So I'll be reading that. More registration information. The Canon imaging, wireless help. And then we get into the actual information. There's the strap. So I'll put that on the sides. It comes with that. What we've got here. We've got, I guess this is the lens. Yep, that's the little lens there, which comes with it. It's 15 by 45 millimeter image stabilization. So I say this is a pretty good all-around general use lens, so it comes with it. You can also purchase the camera online for just the body and then buy your own lenses. I've also seen it available as a kit with numerous lenses, like 2 or 3 of them. So you can, you know, look around and see what's best for you when you get yours. I got a battery here. They do recommend you buy extra batteries. Canon was selling them for $70, I think. So I did find them online. It's still a Canon one, not the secondary market ones, which you can get for $20, $30. But some people say that may lose your warranty. But I did find one, a Canon battery on there, the same size, for I think it was $40. So it's a little bit cheaper. So you can get a secondary battery, so that when you're filming, you don't run out. And then we have the camera itself, which is supposedly very light, great for putting on a tripod and filming, or carrying around. You don't want to get too heavy all day. So yeah, it's pretty light there. And what's great about this for YouTubing and filming is that it has an external mic jack. So I can use my wireless mic with it, or my boom mics. You can set them up on top here on this boot. But the other thing that's really key about this, and why this is a favorite of YouTubers and vloggers and bloggers, is because of this flip screen here. See, it pops out. And then what you can do is you can turn this around, film yourself while watching the screen to see that, you know, what you're doing if you're in focus when you're filming by yourself. So that's the key, this and the external mic, and also that it films in 4K, so that's kind of great too. So you can watch it this way, and you can turn it around for safety. So it has this little protector on it as you're carrying it. So that's cool. What is this? Oh, and this is the battery charging port, I guess, base. So put our battery in there. It has a little plug that comes out this side, so you can plug that into the wall, put your battery in here to charge it. So that's it in the case. So I just wanted to give you a quick show on that and to see, because maybe as I get using it, I'll give you some more reports on it. And you know, if you're interested in going into this type of field here, maybe you want to get your own, and I'll let you know if this is a good investment. Again, it comes with the camera, the charger, the battery, the 15 by 45 lens will be attached to it, strap, and then also I got the adapter and the USB card here, whatever it is, the card for putting inside the camera. All that, pretty good deal. Alrighty, talk to you soon.